Jenkins interview preparation part 3. What is Jenkinsfile? Jenkinsfile is a text file that has definition of a Jenkins pipeline and is checked into the source code repository. It enables code review and iteration on the pipeline. It also permits an audit trail for the pipeline. Differentiate between Maven and Jenkins. Maven it is a build tool. It performs build operation. And on the other hand, it is a build tool. It performs a build operation as well. Jenkins, it is continuous integration tool, and Jenkins may run unit test and deploy applications. So it includes more. Differentiate between Bamboo and Jenkins. So here is this image. On the left hand, the Bamboo, it is a commercial tool. It is a dedicated development team. It is comparative, more user-friendly. It has many built-in features and plugins that are available in the Atlassian marketplace. For Jenkins, it is an open source tool. It is a huge global community, less user-friendly, and many plugins to perform different functions. What is the difference between Jenkins and Hudson? Jenkins is a free open source continuous integration server. Hudson is extensible continuous integration server. Jenkins is forked by Hudson. Hudson it is a continuous integration tool. Jenkins used by companies like Netflix, Facebook, eBay, Instacart, LinkedIn, etc. Hudson used by companies like Logo, Wilslam, Table Air, UAB, and Opto Sweden AB. Jenkins supports a lot of plugins. Hudson supports a lesser number of plugins. Why is Jenkins used with Selenium? Using Selenium allows Jenkins testing whenever there are any software changes or any changes in the environment. When the Selenium test suite is integrated with Jenkins, the testing part is also automated as part of the build process. What is the process to integrate Git with Jenkins? So to integrate Git with Jenkins, you can follow the following steps. First, create a new Jenkins job and open Jenkins dashboard. Enter the desired project name and select the job type. Click OK. Then enter the project information. After that, visit the source code management tab. And here in the Git plugin is pre-installed in Jenkins, so there will be a Git. So if it is not installed, you must reinstall plugins. It's called GitHub plugin, GitHub branch, source plugin, GitHub API plugin, Git client plugin, etc. etc. After that, we install the plugins, restart Jenkins. Then to check if Git is installed, you can go to command prompt and type Git, and you would see various options like usage, version, help, etc. etc. Explain Kubernetes and how can you integrate Jenkins with Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a portable and open source platform. It is used for managing workloads and services that are containerized. So with the help of Kubernetes, the group of hosts running in the Linux container can be easily and efficiently managed. To manage CD's continuous delivery pipeline, the most efficient way to deploy Jenkins with Kubernetes engine, and Kubernetes enables the creation of multiple container instances to satisfy more fault tolerance. Kubernetes deploy plug may be used with Jenkins for continuous deployment. What is DSL Jenkins? DSL stands for Domain Specific Language. Jenkins Job DSL is a plugin that allows us to define jobs in the programmatic with minimal effort. You can describe your jobs in Jenkins using a Groovy-based language. They designed Jenkins Job DSL plugin to create versions of the job, manage the records. What is the process to configure third-party tools in Jenkins? The process for that is like the following. Install the third-party software, install Jenkins plugin supporting the third-party tool, configure the tool from the Manage Jenkins section. Finally, your plugin is ready to be used. What are some of the default environment variables in Jenkins? Here are the job name. This is the name that you give your job when it is first set up. Node name. This is the name of the node on which the current build is running. Workspace. This refers to the path of the workspace. Build URL indicates the URL where the results of the builds can be found. Jenkins URL. This is set to URL of the Jenkins master that is responsible for running the build. Thanks for watching. I will see you in part 4.